Welcome to Paperguide. This demo will showcase Paperguide's features and how students, faculty, researchers, and knowledge workers can make the best use of it. Let's explore our AI research assistant starting with literature review. With just a short prompt about the topic of your research, our literature review feature gives a brief summary from the most relevant papers and a tabular list of the papers along with their key insights, scanning from 200 million papers. Explore more papers by clicking Load More. You can browse and read through the paper titles and insights and identify the relevant ones specific to your requirement. Usually, depending on the level of detail given in the initial prompt, there may be some not so relevant papers. You can select and delete them to refine your literature review. After identifying relevant papers, explore more details using Manage Columns section. For example, clicking on the Summary column creates summary for each paper that you can read and compare. You can add custom columns as well, using Add Column option. For example, you may want to search for potential applications of the research from each paper. Based on need, you can use predefined columns or create columns on your own for your literature review at the click of a button. Once you add relevant columns, you can use the Export button to download the details in BIB, CSV, or Excel format. You can add this info into your literature review document or any other document that you are working on. Go to the paper's publisher source using DOI link, or copy the citation using Citation button. Now, let's explore AI search that helps you find research-backed answers for any question. Just type in your question and let Paperguide work its magic. AI search will answer your query in detail, along with citations. You can explore each of the cited papers using Ask AI to deep dive further or to validate the response. Ask AI will open the paper in Chat section. View the paper using File Viewer. Adding the paper to Reference Manager opens up a lot more options for your research. Using the AI Summary tab, you can extract key concepts, highlights, synopsis, and summary of the paper. These can be particularly useful for anyone trying to understand any articles, market research reports, white papers, classroom notes, or research papers. Paperguide also provides 3 suggested questions based on its analysis of the content of the document. You can ask your own questions in the chat panel in the bottom right. For research papers, it also provides some default options like summary, methodology, limitations, key findings, etc. Now, let's explore the reference manager that helps you neatly manage all the documents that you need to read through and cite for your work. Paperguide's collaborative reference manager lets you add and save references from multiple sources and can be used to store research papers, web articles, and any PDF, docx, or text files. It supports importing your references from Zotero as well. Searching papers online can help you add papers directly from their open access journal sources. Once you add a document or multiple documents, you can arrange them into specific folders and add tags for easy access. Clicking on a specific paper added in your references opens multiple options to extract info from the paper, add notes, and share them with your collaborators. BIB tab has BIB info and citation details, as well as Chat with Paper button, which is same as Ask AI shown earlier. You can read through the document within the same window using the Doc tab, or open it in a different window using View PDF. For multi-document analysis, chat with multiple documents by selecting all relevant papers and clicking on Chat with Papers on the top. The File Viewer lists all the selected documents. You can choose from the drop-down to read through a specific document. All chats and AI searches are stored in the Chat section for future reference. Chatting with multiple documents can help draw insights, sync up your learning from diverse sources, and provide ideas for new hypotheses and projects. The citations given in response to a chat question will have the particular page number from the specific document among the list of documents selected for chat. Sharing a folder and collaboration with others is quite easy with Paperguide. Just select the folder and click on Share Folder option and enter the email ID of the collaborators. Depending on the type of collaboration, the access rights for the team members can be selected among View, Edit, and Add Notes options. Select the right access and send the invite. Once the team member opens their email and clicks on the invitation link and logs into Paperguide, they will see a window where they can accept to add the folder into Shared Folders section. Once accepted, the team member can see the folder in Shared with Me section of the folders list. The team member can use the Notes feature by selecting a shared document in the Reference Manager and add their thoughts, which can be seen by everyone the doc is shared with. Open the PDF and use Highlighter button to select the content and add a note against it. All added notes will appear in the Notes tab, along with the name of the team member who added the note. Let's explore Paperguide's AI Writer. With its inbuilt writing, editing, and citation support, it can help speed up the writing process, whether it is for research writing or articles and essays in general. It can help students who seek help from writing centers in practicing and improving their writing skills on their own, as well as the expert writers in eliminating their writer's block. You can begin writing a document with a prompt and selecting the citation format that helps set up the outline. With the outline in place, you can start writing or use AI for seeding initial sentences. More commonly, though, Paperguide can help with editing, paraphrasing, and citations. While you write, you can select the text and modify it using Ask AI button. Choose from different options to improve the writing, change the tone, simplify the text, and even to translate it. You can accept the suggestion, try another, or discard it altogether. Easily add citations from your reference manager or from 200 million plus publicly accessible papers. For general essays or articles where you don't need citations, you can simply ignore or delete them. The list of citations gets added to the reference section at the end of the document.